Please subscribe to my channel.
The first 15 guests to receive a complimentary tote bag. Donate a book to our little giving library and get entered into a raffle for a free cake. I can't wait to see you at 1010 Bakery at 128 North Main Street in downtown Monticello from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. this Thursday.
Now let's go to Brandy and Laura broadcasting live at 1010 Bakery. Well, thank you, Jamie. We're live here at 1010 Bakery for their huge grand opening going on today and ribbon cutting.
Ouch.
What a beautiful day for a grand opening and ribbon cutting.
Please subscribe to my channel.
You know what's really exciting
I want to earn the play button.
What? 2 doors down from the radio station. Yeah, so it's like breakfast. I just did a really fast Facebook Live, so if you want a little sneak peek of what 1010 Bakery looks like inside,
I feel like I could pass out.
Facebook page and you can see a little sneak peek.
Oh, get off my PS5.
Just come on down yourself to 1010 Bakery right here on Main Street because they are open 2 nights at 1010 today until 10 p.m. That's right. Yeah. So come on down to 1010 Bakery for big grand opening. If you bring a book for the Little Giving Library, which is in Molly's name, you can.
After this song.
6-inch cake. I need to run back and get
After this show's over, YouTubers, I'm shutting it off.
I do. Everyone bring a nice book to read. I know. So I've seen teen books, adult books, some kids books. So it's a nice little mixture of books inside the little library. It's so nice inside there. I can't wait.
I could tell it is Mary's guitar.
I'll tell you something else. What? They're selling t-shirts. Yeah, 1010 t-shirts.
Now John's using.
Mine and green. They're really pretty. Okay, you're gonna rock it proudly. I can already tell. Laura, official taste tester. Yes. Come down and see us at 1010 Bakery. We're here till noon today.
I don't feel like having lunch.
Until 10 o'clock tonight. Jamie, we're gonna turn it back to you and talk to you here just a little bit.
I'm not hungry. I'm tired.